Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone that's watching. So, for today's video is gonna be a fun riding video, at least for me. And I'm gonna take you for an epic ride going to North Vancouver. And we're gonna explore Lions Gate Bridge. And we're gonna go for a quick walk to seawall, and later I'm gonna do some drone flying so I can give you a cinematic view or a cinematic video of the Lions Gate Bridge. So we're driving right now, just cruising, doing a chill ride. This is actually another bridge that connects Vancouver and Surrey. That's like Portman Bridge. So, yeah, chill ride lang tayo. Nothing crazy, and we're doing a solo ride. So, fast forward, eto na tayo. This is the actual bridge that I was talking about. This is Lions Gate Bridge. And on the right side, you can see a beautiful sunset. I think this is about like 5:30-ish in the evening. So sun is about to set, and it's quite beautiful actually. So chill lang tayo. As you can see, not really driving. We always drive like in speed limits, so yeah. There you go. It's really one of my favorite views actually here in Vancouver is when you pass this bridge, just beautiful. So later, like I said, there is gonna be a cinematic video of the bridge, so stick around, guys.
Hey, what's up everyone? So went for a quick ride, and now went for a quick walk, and nandito tayo sa seawall, and look at the view here. That is Lions Gate Bridge, I believe. So amazing view.
was quite a walk. It was a nice walk, and yeah, ang ganda ng view. So we're back here sa motorcycle natin, and that's it for today. It's time to go home. See you in the next one.